Hi guys and welcome to another episode. Today we have a laptop. This is Huawei MateBook D15 with Ryzen 3500U processor, so Ryzen 5 low power CPU. And the laptop, as you can see, it looks quite nice. It has aluminum body, both top, palm rest and the bottom. So actually for the money it's really well made laptop, and I like this series, to be honest. I fixed a few of them, and yeah, it's really nice piece of a laptop. It came like this without anything else, packed in a bubble wrap. So here it looks okay. If we need to move it a little bit. If we open it, the palm rest and everything looks okay. It needs a bit cleaning, like the keyboard and everything, but apart from that it's really in good condition. Same with the screen, just a wipe and should be good. So I don't see anything wrong here. And let's close it, let's flip it to the other side, and as I said, it came like this. So it came without the screws, so I need to remove the back cover, put it aside, and yeah, that's what I got. So basically the seller was offering this laptop like this. So as you can see, he removed the fan, so the heat sink with the heat pipe is here but no fan, and also the battery is missing. And those two things, well, luckily he had it on another auctions, so I asked him if he could sell me the entire bundle. And that's what I bought. Still it's missing the SSD drive, but I can buy it separately, and it's missing the power supply, which also is a standard 65 watt power supply with USB-C. Yeah, so that's what it is. Okay, so I had a brief look at the laptop off camera, and what I noticed, I will show it. This is the power supply, USB-C power supply with mm, voltage analyzer device, tester, however you call it. And so this should light up if the laptop is powered on and show us the voltage and the power draw. Not sure if you can see it because it's tiny, but the thing is, it doesn't work. But when I wiggle the cable, the plug a little bit, it lights up. I cannot reproduce it right now, but I did it off camera, and oh, now it's blinking for a moment, brief moment, and we have 5 volts. So this means it's giving power, but it's not proceeding further. We should get 20 volts on here. So I'll try to recreate it maybe somehow. Can I do that or not? Yeah, see, I have 20 volts. I hope I can. I cannot hold it like this. Okay, once more. I have to wiggle it and use some force, which is not a good sign when we have 5 volts. Ah, Jesus. Okay, we have 20 volts, and now if I power on the laptop, look at the screen. I hope I can keep it this way. Okay, let me try now. Yeah, something is happening. I can see some readings like power draw, and we should get a picture. Yeah, we have a picture. Not sure if you can see it, but the screen got bright and we have a no power, no boot device message. So this basically means that the laptop is probably fine, it's probably working fine, except for the charging port issue. So either the port inside is damaged or it's ripped off from the board, which is more probable because based on my experience working with those laptops, it happens quite a lot. So we'll see. Either I will open the laptop, remove the motherboard, and show you what's going on there. We'll see together. And based on the level of damage, we can either try to resolder the existing port to the board, or I have a new port, so I can solder a brand new one, do some wiring, and it should work as well. Alright, so I have the motherboard under the microscope, and what you can see here is the USB-C port. So let me just check it and grab a pin here, and as you can see, the entire plastic here and the right side of the pins is actually moving. It's completely not attached to the board. So what I will do, I will desolder the port and see how the pads look like underneath, if we have any pads to restore or not. Hopefully not, but anyway, since looks like the port itself is somehow damaged inside and is broken because of this plastic moving, I think I will put a new port on. It's time to summarize the repair, and as you can see, the laptop is working. It's working without a power supply at the moment, and as you can also see, the HDMI is connected and it's giving picture on the bigger screen, so that's nice. And let me just connect the power just to prove that it's actually charging the battery. Not sure if you can see it on the screen, but here in the corner the charging symbol is actually moving, so that's nice. And also the fingerprint sensor works, so that's good. Let's try sound, if the sound is working. So we have a 4K video here as a demonstration, and let me play it. And it's playing in 4K, full screen, no problem. There's sound. Okay, and probably the last test is gonna be the camera. So I'm opening the pop-up camera that is here in the middle of the keyboard. It's well hidden, so sometimes you may be surprised if you're not familiar with the Huawei laptops, where to find it. And as you can see, my hand is visible in the camera. So basically, to summarize, everything is fully working. I don't see any problems with this laptop. It's ready to go. Thank you for watching. Click a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.